In this video, we'll be installing the frame clamp through the holes in the frame of the wheelchair. This can be done with chairs that have rectangular tubes, or, as in this case, chairs that have round tubing with holes. The rectangular tubes are a bit more straightforward, so I'll demonstrate the process for round tubes, but the idea is the same. We're placing a bolt through the frame clamp, through the wheelchair tubing, and securing it with a hex nut. To install this, we'll need the frame clamp, the red T-handle wrench, the bolts that fit your chair's hole diameter and depth, the washers, the spacers, the hex nuts, and if you're installing on a round tube like I am, you'll need the saddle washers as well. If you're installing onto a rectangular tube, you'll also need a 10 or 13 millimeter socket wrench, depending on the bolt size that you need for your chair, or use a pair of adjustable pliers. Let's get started. The first thing we'll need to do is check the fit of the bolts and the saddle washers that were sent with the kit. When we ship these, we ship with 6 millimeter and 8 millimeter bolts, as well as 7/8 inch and 1 inch saddle washers. So here's an 8 millimeter bolt. If I try to put that through the hole on the chair, it's not gonna fit. So I'll check the 6 millimeter, and when I put that in, it fits through the hole. So I'm gonna be using a 6 millimeter bolt for this install. With the saddle washers, you can just put those along the curve of the chair and check for proper fit. This one shows a gap indicating that this is too small. This is a 7/8 inch. So I'll move to the next one, which is 1 inch, and that's stamped right on the side of the saddle washer. One side is stamped 1 inch and the other side 25 millimeter. When I put that against the frame, it has a nice clean fit. So I'll be using the 1 inch saddle washer for this installation. Now I need to prepare the bolt. So I'm going to take the bolt and take one of the washers that came with it and slide that down onto the bolt. Next, I'll add the spacer. And then I'll take the frame clamp and slide the bolt through one side, one of the slots at the top. Next, I'm going to take one of my saddle washers and I'm going to slide this down onto the bolt. Now when you're doing this, you want to make sure that once this is in place, the saddle washers will sandwich your wheelchair frame. So the curved parts should be facing in toward the curves of the wheelchair frame. So again, placing the bolt with the head coming through the front side will be the side with the black ridges. Placing the saddle washer over the bolt on the back side of the frame clamp. I'll now start to slide that into one of the holes on the chair. Now I'm going to leave this hanging here for just a moment while I prepare the next bolt. And I've already got this one with the washer and the spacer inserted. So now I can just grab my 1 inch saddle washer, feed the bolt through, make sure that my saddle washer is positioned with the curve toward the curve of the chair, and place that through, and now align the bolts so that they go all the way through and the saddle washers are sitting flush with the frame of the chair. Now on the back side, we'll take one of the hex nuts and another saddle washer, and we'll slide the hex nut into the track on the back of the saddle washer. Holding that in place with your finger, slide that onto the bolt and give it a few turns so that it holds securely in place. You don't need any tool on the backside here because the saddle washer holds that in place as the bolt turns so that it can be tightened. I'll do the same thing with my other saddle washer. Slide the nut into the track, hold it with my finger, place it over the bolt, and begin to turn until it tightens. Now with all that in place, I can slide, if I loosen this up just a little bit, I can slide this a little bit left and right. I can choose different hole spacings. Once I get this in a position, I just want to give that a nice turn, get it nice and tight. You're ready to move on to the next step in your installation.